So you got to remember, this is 50s copper. So when it goes that really bright pinky, that real red coppery look, which I'll show you in a minute, when it goes that colour, you know it's pure copper. Look at that, beautiful. Last one. There you go, look at that. Alrighty, so here they are. I haven't cleaned these ones up, but I have cleaned that up. I had to destroy the mold for that one, so that's why it's a little bit horrible looking. Alright, let's see what we got here. So we got 0 grams. This should be 3 kilo. There you go, 3-1. 3-1. This should be 3. Oh, 6-7. Look at that. Right, yeah, this all should add up, because all of this and the pipe should add up to 10 kilo, I'm hoping. So you got 7. 8, 7. 9, 6. That's not bad for today, is it? We've hit the 10.5. Look at that, 10.5. And we've hit 11.5. I'll be blown away if that's 12. 12.274. Wow. Wow, I'm impressed. There you go. So I'm just going to take these off for a minute. That was actually a really good pour today. A little bit buggered. So that was a 3-1. That's 3-1 exactly. Look at that. 3-1. I'll zero that again. Zero that again. What's this? That's 3-7 more or less. That's the biggest one I've actually poured. 3-7. 3-7 grams. 3 kilos, 700 grams. Right, these ones are supposed to be 1 kilo. Oh yeah, 960. 960. That's a smaller one, 750. 950. Oh, they're just under a kilo. Obviously I didn't pour them that well. There you go. So just make sure that is the 3-1 again. I've never even done one at 3-1 exactly. There you go. There you go, guys. 12 kilos. $12.27 kilos.